How to fix there is an issue with your phone's ability to use the Face ID. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone says there's an issue with your phone's ability to use Face ID or Face ID stops working, it usually means the TrueDepth camera system is having trouble or you have iOS software glitch. Or it could also be an hardware fault with the sensors. For a quick check, you can restart your iPhone. Many temporary Face ID errors vanishes after a reboot. Also, you need to make sure that you clean the front camera area as dirt, fingerprints or screen protector can block sensors. For the third solution, head over to your device settings and then go to Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode to get logged in. After that, make sure that your Face ID has been turned on or the option has been set up. If not, you need to set up the Face ID or reset the Face ID. Next option, head over to settings and go to general. Go to software updates and if there is any latest update available, make sure to tap on it. Also, if you are using a skin case or privacy screen protector, make sure it's not blocking the notch area where Face ID's TrueDepth camera is. If not, you'll have to reset the Face ID. For this, go to settings and Face ID and passcode again. Tap on or enter your passcode, tap on the reset option or reset Face ID and set it up all again. You also need to check the Face ID settings for apps. For this, you have to go to the other app section under Face ID and passcode. Here you will see all the listed application that requires Face ID. Make sure it has been toggled on, only then you can get access to Face ID settings. Make sure to restart your iPhone once and now if you check your Face ID, it should be working. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.